Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We just got our latest shipment from the Going Gear EDC Club. Let's see what we get. All right, our first product is from Gondek EDC, and it is this right here. So it is a brass pry bar. So you got obviously the prying portion of it. You can also use it for scraping. Got a bottle opener, little jimping up there on the top. Got a spot where you can put a lanyard. You're also going to get, as part of this, a Benchmade pocket clip, which is a deep carry pocket clip, and it fits right into those three holes. So I don't have my screwdriver or my bits and my drivers here with me, but I will show you the pocket clip in a second. Now, first thing I'll tell you is that as soon as you see this, you're like, some people are like, well, why would I ever use that? Some people are like, that's the awesomest thing for EDC. So that's a preference thing. If you're an EDC type person, some people like this stuff, some people are not so into this stuff. Definitely pry bars and little tools like this are definitely popular in the EDC world. Price point for this, $55. So right there, you're pretty much, you are going to be anything beyond this is going to be kind of bonus as far as like you paid X and you're getting X plus in value. Some people are going to, again, say $55 for that. Like, why would I do that? Why would I pay for that? That's always going to be the question with any kind of monthly subscription. I'm not a huge pry bar guy, but I do like EDC, and so I will be like, hey, maybe I'll actually try this out. Throw it on a bag, carry it around, see if I can actually use it. For me, the first thing that jumped out to me right there was that edge for scraping. I thought, man, in the winter when I get ice on my car, if I just got to get a little bit something off, I can take this out and scrape. Yes, I do have a car scraper in my car, but maybe I'm with somebody else and they don't have one. Just that's the first thing that stood out to me. Cool looking product right there. So that's our first item in this month's EDC Going Gear EDC Club shipment. As usual, we do get a Going Gear sticker. Last month it was 2 of them. This month it's 1. Here's the pocket clip from Benchmade. So that's your deep carry pocket clip. That's going to fit onto the pry bar. I will note here, as I compare it. Yeah, so the pry bar does have 3 holes, and this has 2. So just heads up. Obviously, I can see that it lines up, and you've got the little screws or bolts there. So that's your first product is the pry bar. Second product I would say is your pocket clip. Third product is this, which is the Kiradashi from Cold Steel. Tiny little EDC knife. I thought the pocket clip was for this at first, but you can see it does have a built-in pocket clip. This is going to be for right-hand carry only, or as far as how it's built. Very utility-looking knife. I don't feel like it doesn't look like it's grivery. Let me double-check, but let me give you the details. Blade is 2.5 inches. Your handle's 4 inches. Overall 6.5. Your steel is 4034 stainless steel. Weight is 2.4 ounces. Blade thickness 3 millimeters. So you can see, like I said, that built-in pocket clip right there. It looks like you can take it off if you wanted to, but I don't think you can switch it around. Yeah, so anyhow, I'm going to just say that just says to me like utility blade, the cutting, slashing things open. It is a stainless steel made in Taiwan. Close it up there. The back lock system. Let's look at that. Value for this one is coming in at $36. So you got 36 plus 55 right there. I mean, you're getting close to $100 right there as far as the value of the products. I did mention the deep carry pocket clip. That's coming in at, I think, $9.95, $9.99 for that one. And then they threw in 2 of these cold brew by Costa, I think, Costa coffee, medium roast. And yeah, it looks like you pour it into a cup, you throw in your water, and then you're basically good to go. So yeah, so you get 2 of those. They're valuing that at $2.30. I appreciate the fact they throw some new things in. It's good advertising for this company, some coffee for you to drink, and then also, it's not like they're like, that's a $50 value or something. So again, I think obviously the 2 major products you're looking at this month are the Kiradashi. Let me get that name right again. Kiradashi from Cold Steel. And then it's your pry bar. So that's what we're looking at this month for the EDC items. I'm not against Cold Steel by any means. I just haven't tested out a ton of their products. I do really like the Tough Light, and I had the mini Tough Lights as well. This is a cool little knife. I think I'm going to probably keep this guy to use as a utility knife, like around the house. I usually keep one out in the shed, and I was looking the other day and I don't have one, but I'll keep this one to to use when I'm out and about. I just did a lot of mulching, so having something to cut open the mulch bags would be good. This guy, like I said, I'll throw that pocket clip on it. See what we think about this. But let me hear your thoughts. Overall about the this month's shipment, but also pry bars in particular, I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say about them, what you think about this as a EDC item. Do you use it? Have you ever used it? Is it just cool to take pictures of? Is it actually functional? Let's get that conversation started. And we are in June 2020, so that's what we get for the June 2020 Going Gear EDC Club shipment. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.